In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Jotform after submission. Whether you've just realized you need to tweak a question, want to add more elements, or even introduce payment options to your form, rest assured we've got you covered. Navigating Jotform's platform can be intuitive, but each step can significantly impact your form's functionality. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty details to ensure your form is nothing short of perfect. First up, you'll need to access Jotform's website. Simply type in free online form builder and form creator vertical bar Jotform in your browser, or navigate directly to www.jotform.com. Here you'll find a comprehensive toolset ready to make your form creation and editing process a breeze. Next, let's get you logged in. Once on the Jotform homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you've linked your Google account or any other platform to Jotform, you would select that option here, making the login process a streamlined one. After logging in, you're going to want to access your forms. Navigate to My Forms on Jotform. This is where all your created or drafted forms are stored. It's like a personal library of all the projects you've embarked on with Jotform. The next step involves selecting the form you wish to edit. Identify the submission form you're aiming to tweak and hit the edit form option. This action will take you directly into the editing interface of your selected form. Alright, now that we're in the editing mode, let's talk about adding new elements to your form. Look for the Add Element button. Elements are essentially the building blocks of your form. They can be questions, contact fields, or even images. Clicking this will open up a sidebar featuring a plethora of element options to choose from. If you wish to delve deeper into the customization, the Basic tab under the Elements sidebar is your go-to. It houses a wide array of elements that cater to the fundamental needs of your form. Whether it's adding text boxes, drop-down menus, or even radio buttons, the Basic tab has everything you need to make your form as detailed and tailored as possible. Now, what if your form needs to handle transactions? No problem. Jotform has you covered with its payment integration feature. Go to the Payments tab while in the Form Builder. Here you can choose from various payment processors Jotform supports, enabling you to receive payments directly through your form. It's ideal for donation forms, online order forms, and registration forms that involve monetary transactions. For those seeking to add a bit more flair or functionality to their forms, exploring the Widgets tab should be next on your list. Widgets can elevate your form by introducing unique features like social media integration, sliders, or even file uploaders. It's all about enhancing the user experience for those interacting with your form. Lastly, should your form require more than one page, perhaps to avoid overwhelming respondents or to separate different sections of a lengthy survey, you have the option to add new pages. This can be accomplished by selecting the Add New Page option within the builder. It's particularly helpful for maintaining a clean, organized look to your form, ensuring that users aren't deterred by a barrage of questions all at once. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to editing your Jotform after it's been submitted. Whether it's a simple tweak or adding sophisticated elements and payments options, Jotform's versatile platform caters to a myriad of needs. Remember, the goal is not just to create forms, but to create forms that are engaging, functional, and tailored to collect the information you need efficiently. So go ahead, give your form that much needed update, and watch as it transforms to meet, if not exceed, your expectations. Happy editing.